Hey devs, welcome back to Indie Dev Checkpoint, your weekly roundup of news, tools, and updates that matter most to indie game developers. This week, we're covering updates from September 13th through the 21st, 2025. Let's dive in. First up, Godot 4.5 has officially dropped. The new release brings improvements to rendering, performance, and even accessibility features like screen reader support. If you're working in Godot, now's the time to test your projects in 4.5. But make sure you branch your repo first. Upgrades are powerful, but they can introduce breaking changes. Next, a new report shows Unreal and Unity are still leading, but Godot is growing fast, especially in education and non-traditional game dev spaces. For indies, this means two things. Godot's ecosystem is maturing, and knowing it could be a big skill boost for your future projects. Over in tooling news, JetBrains just opened the early access program for Rider 2025.3. If you code in C# or work with Unity, this might be worth checking out. Early builds aren't production ready, but testing them now can give you a head start on what's coming down the pipeline. There's also growing concern in the dev community that generative AI could lower the quality bar in games if overused. For indies, the key takeaway is this. Use AI where it makes sense, like speeding up prototyping or handling repetitive tasks. But keep your craftsmanship front and center. That's what makes your work stand out. So, what does all this mean for us as indie developers? Test your projects early in Godot 4.5 if you're planning to upgrade. Keep sharpening your engine skills. Godot, Unity, Unreal, each has its place. Be mindful about how you integrate AI. And stay plugged into dev tools like Rider so you're not caught off guard when changes roll out. That's it for this week's Indie Dev Checkpoint. If you found this roundup helpful, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And let me know in the comments, are you upgrading to Godot 4.5 right away or waiting until your current project wraps? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.